Hey guys, welcome back. So before we get inside this session, actually, I want to highlight something. Actually, I have changed the project structure. Before, I was like added the controller, domain, DTO, repos, and services. Outside of this, arc.nsk.bank, package. Okay, so what it is, I have added all those things inside this package. Okay, as a sub packages. Okay, so this is the only change I did it, and yeah, that's the only change. Let's come back to the session. In this session, what we are going to do is like we will be running our Spring Boot application. We'll be running our account service application. So before we do that, we need to add few things. Actually, here you can observe like we haven't added the what type of mapping, what type of request that is expected. So here we need to give the mapping type, actually, whether it is a post, get, update, put mapping, or it is a delete mapping. All these things we should be mentioning, right? We should be mentioning what type of request this particular method will handle. So as of now, like this create method will be a post request. Actually, it will be handling all the uh, you know uh, uh, all the requests which are like all the requests which are coming to the account creation. Okay. Okay, so now here we have to give the URI name. So I'll be giving the URI name as accounts, actually. So accounts I have given. Okay, now the next thing what I'll do is we have added the URI over here. Now we will be adding a request mapping over here as well. Request mapping. Okay, I'll be giving the URI name as account services slash v1. Okay, so this is the version 1. So first the uh, uh, handler mapping will see this one. So if the request matches this, it will be coming inside this and it will be checking for the requested URI. If it is accounts, it will be executing this one. Okay, so now we have added both the post mapping and the request mapping annotations we have added. And the other thing here, if you see the application.properties, in the application.properties, we have given the Docker image details, actually. So you can see that host.docker.internal. So we were running the MySQL and the Docker level. So now if you want to now you are running them, now we want to see the changes in the local, actually. Okay, I have the MySQL installed in my PC, so I want to add entries into the database. So I'll be using localhost because it is local to me. So localhost 3306 slash account services. We have changed the data source URL. And anything we need to change? No, we need to change anything. Well, nothing we need to change. So now here, okay, let's recheck it once again. Request mapping, fine. Okay, so here we have added the post mapping. That's fine. And in the service layer, I did one small change, actually. So where I'll be, I am not passing the account details. See, we are here to create the account with the account number. That's what we are going to do. So in order to create the account, in order to generate the 10-digit account number, I have written some logic, actually. So which will be generating the account number. So this will be generating the account number between the, uh, you know, 1 crore to 99 lakhs 99,000. Okay, 100 crores to 99. So it is a 10 digit number. So I want to create the account between the this number to this number. So this is the max number. Okay, so fine. This is the min number. So this is the max number. Sorry, this is the min number, and this is the max number. And it will be generating the random account number, and it is giving back to us. And we are setting up the random account number to the account pojo. Okay, so using the set account number setter method. Okay, once we set it, we are saving the account details. That's what we have said. Only this line and this method we have added. That's it. I have added. Okay, so fine. Now let me come here. Let me run this account services application. Okay, let me run this account services application. So let's see, customer services I have ran it. It is working fine without any issues. Okay. So it is running. So let's see the account services, whether the account services are running fine or not. Okay. So the account services is running fine without any issues. You can see this one. Okay. And it is creating the table called account. Okay. You can see this. The account service application is started on port number 882. Okay, so now let's go here to the postman. So http colon double slash local host colon port number 8082 slash account services. See here, we have the request mapping URI. So first we should give this one slash account services slash v1, copy it and just go to your postman and paste it. Okay, so then after that enter a forward slash. After that what we have, we have a account, so just copy that account, so or you can copy the entirely. Okay, here remove the slash and paste it. Okay, so now here this is a post request, right? Choose post. Okay, now here come to the raw, come to the raw and come to the JSON. Actually come to the JSON. So for the so you'll be passing the data, you'll be passing the data in JSON format. Okay, so all the account related details you'll be passing in JSON format. Okay, first let me go to the Ojo class of account. So this is my domain class of account. So here copy all except account ID, because account ID will be auto generated. You don't need to do anything. Come here and just paste here. See, always make sure whatever the names you have given as a in a Pojo, property names you have given in the Pojo, same name should be there. Account type, account number. So we don't know what is the account number. So it will be created uh, by our code. Okay, balance. So we'll be giving the balance. So initial balance actually, and we will be giving the customer ID. See, we will be like, why I am giving the balance attribute is in the sense. So while creating any bank account, if you go to any bank, so they'll be asking you to enter some initial balance. Okay. So based on the bank. So if you go with the SBI, so they'll ask you to, deposit, minimum 1,000 rupees as an initial amount for account creation. So if you go to the rural banks like Andhra Bank or Punjab Bank or any other bank, so they'll ask you to like give 500 rupees for the initial deposit for creating an account. Okay, so fine. So here we have to mention account type. What type of account it is? It is a savings account or it is a business account. So as of now, it is a savings account. Let's give savings and account number. So you don't need to mention anything, and balance. So I'm inserting 10,000 as the initial balance, or we can give 1,000 only. So customer ID 1, because we have the customer handy with us actually. So let me go here, customer services. You can see here, customer services, customer. See, these are the customers I have. Okay, so this is the customer ID 1. So I'll be giving the customer details. So I'll be giving the customer ID 1. So I have given the customer ID 1. So now what I have to do? Simple. Let's fire up the request. So once you fire up the request, okay, here you are getting some exception actually. What is the exception? No resource found exception, no static resource found exception, it is saying. Okay, fine. Let me check this one. Why it is giving this exception? Let me come back to the code. So here, in the code, this is the customer service code, and this is the account services code. Okay, so let's come over here to the controller. This is account services slash v1. Okay, we have all these handy with us. Accounts, account services slash I've copied the same. Okay, see here. I have used double slashes. You can see here, two forward slashes I have used. So that is the mistake. So when you now click on send, now you'll be getting the response actually. See here, we are getting the response. So account ID 1, savings account, and we have created the account. It is a 10 digit number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digit number. And the balance you have used, you have used to deposit like 10,000 is the balance you have used to deposit. Okay. So and for the customer one. So because if the customer one is exist, then only we can able to create the account. Otherwise, it will throw an exception. Okay. Let's check for the other customer IDs. We have customer ID 2. Okay. Let's enter 2000. Let's send the request. So now we have created the account for the customer ID 2. Okay. So and the account number is, this is the account number. Okay. So let's see whether the details are saved into the DB or not. So let's go to the account services table. Okay. Let's refresh this one. So let's go to the accounts. So here you can see for account ID 1, for customer ID 1. So this is the account number it is created. For customer ID 2, this is the account number it is created. Okay. So what is the customer ID? See here we have customer ID 1, right? So which means that, so we are checking the customer services. It is connecting to the customer services and it is fetching the customer details. It is validating it. If the customer is exist, then only it will be allowing us to create the account. If not exist, for example, we have only 10 entries actually. Let's say if I give the wrong entry, let's say 11 if I give. Okay, if I give the customer ID as 11, so it will throws an exception. See, so it is saying that you have you are sending the get request to the customer services. It is throwing an exception. So what is the exception? Internal server error. So let me go to the customer services. Let's see what exactly the error is. So it is saying that customer not found with the ID 11. I hope you got it. Okay. Let's try for the other. Let's try for the other. Okay. So here, so if you run this customers also, you will be getting an exception. See, we can't find out the customer details actually. Okay. So now here I'll change the customer ID to 3. Okay. So what is the customer ID 3 details? If you see here, so customer ID 3, it's Hayat actually. So you will be getting the success response. I will see the 3 and 4 now. Now let's come over here. Let's send the request. So we have created the account number for customer ID 3 also. Similarly, let's go for and create the customer ID 4. Okay. Let's send the request. Now this is a business account. Let me give this as a business account. Okay. Business. Okay. So now instead of mentioning business, we have to mention corporate. We can't mention business directly. So it should be two accounts will be created. One is the savings account. The other one is the corporate account actually. Okay. So now this is a corporate account. For corporate account, we are giving the initial balances 4 and the customer ID is initial balance is 2000 and customer ID is 4. Let's send the request. So here you can see customer ID for customer ID 4. So we have created the account. Okay. So let's go and check the DB whether we have the changes stored in the DB or not. So if you see, so for the customer ID 4, it is a corporate account and we have created a account number. So in the same way for customer ID 3 also, it is a savings account. We have created the account number as well. So this way you can you can communicate with the one microservice to the other microservice. I hope you understood this session. In the next session, you'll be working on the getting the account details. Okay. So until then, thank you for watching and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and please share with your friends as well. Okay. So let them learn as well. So I hope this is fine. Let's end up this session.